To transfer USDT to USDC on Binance in 2025. Follow these steps. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Binance conversion page. You can find this by clicking on the Buy Crypto tab and then selecting Conversion from the drop-down menu. Next, select USDT as the coin you want to convert from and USDC as the coin you want to convert to. Enter the amount of USDT you want to convert and review the conversion details. Make sure to check the conversion rate and any associated fees. Once you have reviewed the details, click on the Convert button to initiate the transfer. The conversion process is usually instant, and your USDC will be available in your Binance account immediately after the transfer is complete. It is essential to note that Binance may charge a small fee for the conversion, so make sure to check the fees before initiating the transfer. Additionally, ensure that you have sufficient USDT in your account to cover the amount you want to convert. To avoid any potential issues, make sure your Binance account is verified and that you have enabled two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. It is also crucial to keep your account information and login credentials safe and secure to prevent any unauthorized access. In summary, transferring USDT to USDC on Binance is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined above and taking the necessary precautions to secure your account, you can easily convert your USDT to USDC and start using it for your trading activities.